Basicity of amines. Consider an amine RNH2. Nitrogen has a lone pair of electrons. Using this lone pair of electrons, the nitrogen of RNH2 accepts a proton from the acid and it changes to RNH3+. A cation is thus formed and it can be called as a substituted ammonium ion. Similarly, ammonia also has a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, and using this lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, ammonia can also accept a proton and it can change to ammonium ion NH4+. Now again consider RNH2. It has an electron releasing alkyl group. R is an alkyl group and it is electron releasing. So due to the presence of this electron releasing alkyl group in RNH2, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen will be more readily available so that it can easily accept a proton. Since it easily accepts a proton, RNH2 can be considered to be more basic. Now consider ammonia. In ammonia, no such electron releasing alkyl group is present. Therefore, it will be less basic. Therefore, we can say that alkyl amines are more basic than ammonia. There is one more reason to know that. Consider the cations formed, that is RNH3+ and RNH4+. Out of these two cations formed, RNH3+ will be more stable than NH4+. If RNH3+ is more stable, it means RNH2 is more basic in nature. See, RNH3+ is more stable. It is because in RNH3+ there is an electron releasing alkyl group. So due to the presence of this electron releasing alkyl group, there will be more dispersal of the positive charge present on nitrogen atom. If there is more dispersal of positive charge on nitrogen atom, RNH3+, the cation, will get more stabilized. So this is the reason why alkyl amines are more basic than ammonia. Now if we are given primary, secondary and tertiary amines, which will be more basic in the gaseous phase and why? A primary amine can be represented as RNH2, a secondary amine can be represented as R2NH and a tertiary amine can be represented as R3N. So in which case do you find more number of electron releasing alkyl groups? It is in tertiary amine, R3N. So due to the presence of more number of electron releasing alkyl groups in tertiary amine, the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen will be more in the case of a tertiary amine. Therefore, the order of basicity will be tertiary greater than, secondary greater than, primary amine greater than ammonia. Basicity in aqueous phase. What is the order of basicity of primary, secondary and tertiary amines in aqueous phase? The order is different from that found in the gaseous phase. To understand that, consider the primary amine RNH2, secondary amine R2NH and tertiary amine R3N. After protonation, RNH2, the primary amine, changes to RNH3+. Similarly, the secondary amine R2NH after protonation changes to R2NH2+, while the tertiary amine R3N changes to R3NH+. Out of these ions, the smallest ion is RNH3+ because it has only one alkyl group. The largest ion is R3NH+ due to the presence of 3 alkyl groups. You know that the smaller ion will get heavily hydrated or heavily solvated. So RNH3+ being the smallest ion will undergo greater solvation, whereas R3NH+ being the largest ion will be solvated only to a lesser extent. Therefore, it will be less stable, whereas RNH3+ will be most stable. So the order of stability will be primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary. Since the stability is of the order primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary, the order of basicity should be primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. This is opposite to that found in the gaseous phase, which is based on the electron releasing effect of the alkyl group. Also, if there is a change in the alkyl group, that is, if the alkyl group is bigger, there will be steric hindrance to hydrogen bonding, as a result of which the order of basicity again changes. Therefore, in aqueous phase, an interplay of inductive effect, solvation effect and steric hindrance together will decide the basic strength. Now, if ethyl group is present in the amine, then the order of basicity is found to be secondary greater than, tertiary greater than, primary greater than ammonia. And if methyl group is present, the order of basicity in aqueous phase is found to be secondary greater than, primary greater than, tertiary greater than ammonia. Aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia, or aniline is less basic than ammonia. You know that greater the number of resonating structures possible, greater will be its stability. Aniline has 5 resonating structures and therefore it is more stable. Anilinium ion has only 2 resonating structures, therefore it is less stable. Therefore, aniline shows less tendency to accept a proton, or aniline is less basic than ammonia. Electron releasing groups like methyl group increases the basic strength, whereas electron withdrawing groups like nitro group decreases the basic strength.